Wenanita Angang, your Miss World Malaysia 2022, and today I am here at GLOJAS to see how they can help me with my journey to India since I am leaving very soon. Let's go! So doctor, today I really need your help because I only have a few days left before I leave for Miss World, but my face is just breaking out so badly. Yeah, so this is the problem. And then I have like breakouts on my chin as well. Yeah, I think it's from the stress and probably lack of sleep. Okay. Because finally I get all the treatments that I needed and it was completely comfortable, langsung tidak sakit, and everything was just so nice, especially from the start to the end when they started with my consultation towards the treatment. It was all provided for, all of the advices and all of the comfort. So to anyone who wants to come over, janganlah malu-malu, silalah datang to GLOJAS.